scrub. And your legs, scrub. And your feet, scrub. And get water. 1, 2, 3. Ready, get set, go. And then get what? Conditioner. Okay, get conditioner. And go. Conditioner. Okay. Conditioner. And after that, wait for 5 minutes so that the conditioner will set. Okay, wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, what are we going to do? Get water again. Okay. And then, after, get a towel, yes? And dry yourself. Dry. And then after that, dress up. Get lotion. And then powder. And then get your clothes. Put on your clothes now. And ready to play. That's what you do. You just don't go out and play. Okay? You have to take a bath, use conditioner, put lotion, like that. Okay, we have more stories. You want to listen to more stories? Yes. Okay, we'll have our next story. We have